All right, guys. This is, what is this, Tuesday, October 15th. Talking about tax tip and discount. Remember, when you're reading these, I want you to make sure that you're doing some underlining. So the Curewoods went out to eat at Chili's. Their bill was a total of $58.65. And they gave their server a 15% tip. Remember, tip is added, taxes are added, discounts are subtracted. So how much did they pay altogether? So our original proportion is percentage over 100. So in this case, it's 15%. Part over the whole. Our whole is $58.65. And we're looking for this number right there. So that's how you set your proportion. And your first thing you're going to do is you're going to do 15 cross multiply by 58.65. And that should give you, that will give you the 878 and 75 hundredths. When you cross multiply that, oops, come on, all right, there we go. And we have 879, 75 hundredths, excuse me, I think I said 8. Then we're going to divide that by our third number, which is our 100, and that takes us to 8 and 7,975 ten-thousandths. But I've never heard that as far as money goes. So remember, we're rounding off to our nearest penny. So I look back here, that's a 7. So that makes that 8 or that 9 become a 10. So our X is actually $8.80. That's our tip. But then we're going to have to add that tip back to our original. So it's $58.65 plus our tip of $8.80, and that gives us our total bill would be then $67.45 would be the total bill once we've added in our tip. So for our next one, Miss Acton spent $205.60 at Target. Sales taxes added is 6%. What is her final bill? So we have our 6 over 100. That's our percentage. Equals our piece, which we're looking for, over 205.60. So we're going to cross multiply 6 times 205 and 6/10, and we have 1,233 and 6/10. We're then going to divide that by 100, and we get 12 and 336 hundredths, or thousandths, excuse me, thousandths. We're going to round off to our nearest penny. So that becomes, so our tax is $12.34. And it's a tax, which means we have to add it back to our bill. So we have $205.60 plus our $12.34. And that our answer is $217.94. That's our total price that Miss Acton spent at Target. So let's look at our next group. Number 3. Macy's is having a sale, a one-day of 35% off. If Sarah bought $124.50 worth of items, what would the final total after applying the discount of 35%? So we have our 35 over our 100 equals our piece that we're looking for over our total price of $124.50. So when I cross multiply 35 times 124.50, I get, what was it, 4,357 and 5/10. I'm going to divide that by 100, so I get 43 and 575 thousandths. I'm going to round off to my nearest penny. So this is saying my discount was $43.58. So then I have to take that from my original amount of $124.50 and minus my new price of $43.58. All right, so $124.50 minus $43.58 gives a grand total of $80.92 would be our new bill after our discount. Okay, Mark and his three friends ate out at Applebee's. Their total bill was $52.35. A 20% tip was left. We'll start with that part first and we'll come back and read the rest of the question. So we have our 20 over 100 equals our tip over our total, $52.35. So we're going to cross multiply 20% times 52.35, and that is 1,047. Then we divide by 100 and we get $10.47 as our tip. We're going to add that to our $52.35. Excuse me. So we're going to add those together and we get our answer of $62.82. But that's not our complete answer, because if we continue reading, it says Mark and his three friends, and how much would each person pay if they split the bill evenly? So we have Mark and three friends, so that's four people. So we have to divide that 62.82. We're going to divide that by the number of people, which is 4. And we would round that off to $15.71 per person. So that's how much Mark and his friends would each pay. Okay, number 5 on the homework, we have a soccer team played 32 games. They won 25% of them. How many games did the team win? So we have our 25, whoops, that's a really bad looking 5, over 100 equals games won over their total games of 32. So we're going to cross multiply this. 32 times 25 is 800. Divide that by 100. And they won a total of 8 games. There is no tip, tax, or discount, so that is our answer. Okay, number 6. Sugar-free gum contains 40% less calories than regular gum. If a piece of regular gum contains 40 calories, how many calories does a piece of sugar-free gum contain? So we have, once again, our percentage over 100 equals our piece over our total of 40. So we're going to cross multiply, and that gives us what, 1600 divided by 100 is 16. So it's going to be 16 less calories. So we have 40 for the sugar gum, the regular gum, minus the 16 less, okay, and that gives the answer of 24 calories. Okay, number 7. Ms. Stoner purchased a new computer for $1,150 at the Apple Store. Sales tax is 7.5%. What is the total for her purchase? So we have our tax of 7.5 over 100 equals what we're looking for over her total. Okay. First, we're going to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we get 8,625. We're going to divide that by 100, so that's $86.25. And then we're going to add that to our price. It's $1,150 added to $86.25. So her new total price is $1,236.25 as far as how much she's going to spend on the computer. Number 8. Vicky made some purchases at the sunflower market. She bought strawberries for $3.50, carrots for $2.25, and a bouquet of flowers for $9.95. If sales tax is 5%, what will Maria pay altogether? Well, first we got to figure out, well, how much you spend altogether. So we have to have the $3.50, the $2.25, and the $9.95, and we're going to add all of those up, and that equals what, $1,570. Okay, so that's how much you spent. So now we have our 5% over 100 equals what our total tax will be over our price of $15.70. So now we're going to cross multiply these, divide by 100, and when we round off our answer, it's basically 79 cents when we round it off. Because it's 785 thousandths, round off to 78 cents. So then we're going to add that tax to our 1570. And it's $16.49 is the total price. All right, see you tomorrow in class.